Describe yourself in one word. If I had to describe myself in one word, I guess it would be driven.
Optimistic.
What's the most famous person you've ever met? Kim Kardashian in a changing room right next to me. Nobody was paying attention to the jacket I was trying on because everybody was pointing to the person next to me.
I had dinner with Muhammad Ali. Spent the afternoon with him.
I also pushed Yoko Ono out of the way because I didn't realize who she was.
What advice would you give your younger self?
Don't be afraid to take chances.
To not take things so seriously.
That you are beautiful.
To not be afraid and always be humble and accept your mistakes and learn from that.
What's the best compliment you ever received? You look taller than your pictures.
That I'm very considerate.
That I'm genuine.
What's the theme song of your life? Oof. The Friends theme song, actually. I'll be there for you. Please don't put that on film.
We're here for a good time, not a long time.
How about Twilight Zone? Na 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 na.
Down Under by Men at Work.
I'm a survivor.
I'm not going to sing Dancing Queen. No.
If you could do anything else for work, what would it be? That's an interesting one. Own a restaurant on a mountain.
Well, I don't know, because I'm following my dream. I've followed my dream for the last 25 years. I can't think of anything else that I'd rather be. Maybe a rock star, but I don't think that will happen.